back at it. Back at the lagoon after that PB swimbait fish. Another chill morning out here, overcast. We're gonna throw that swimbait again, obviously, and try to catch a few, maybe a few more this time. I only got that one last time, but all right, let's see what we can do. That's a decent fish, do I think. Ha! Trolling. Just trolling the jerkbait. It's a good one too. Oh no. God. Freaking net was caught. Yeah. That sucked. Come on. Hey, get off again. That's a freaking nice one. Yes. Let's freaking go. All right. Jerkbait. Yeah. 2.1er, nice 2-pounder. Two one. Oh, there's a nice one. Maybe not. Not a nice one because nope, just got him hooked a million ways. All right. But the jerkbait. Ooh. Little dude. Oh, baby. It feels like a big one. It feels like a big one. Like a freaking big one. Please. Please, please, please stay on. Spin the old boat around. It feels like a big one. Because it's a bass in the grass. That was awesome. It felt giant too. Oh yeah, big one. Big one in the grass. Grass got me. Little fat guy. It's awesome. Yes. It's either a big one or it's got a bunch of grass. Looks decent. Yes. It's a nice bass. Nice healthy guy. All right, nice 2-pounder again. Man, they get off this thing easy. Oh! Giant broke me off. Broke the whole jerk. Man, they just keep getting off. They just keep getting off. What the heck, man? What I did notice after this though is that there's a lot of grass underneath, and they were just going down and getting right into the grass and just coming off, and that big one obviously just broke me off. But after this I tried to keep them out of that grass a little bit better. Oh God, it's a big one. Oh, I felt that guy. Come on, baby, get one in the boat already. Oh. Come on, get this guy in. That's a big one. That's a big one. Yes. Not a big one, it's a fat little butterball. Yes. Oh, it's a little fella. Foot big. Sheesh. Oh, it's fun. Right. Another nice 2-pounder. Oh, it's a nice one too. Beauty. Oh, come on, baby. Yes. Ooh. That's a beauty. Look at this. Healthy. Nice 2.2 or nice solid bass. Smashing the old jerk bait. Nice chunky guy. Yeah. Nice one. Another 2-pounder. Ooh, that was fun, guys. That crazy flurry on the jerkbait, nice and early. They were just chasing bait everywhere. Just throwing that jerkbait all around the grass. Broke off a giant. I gave it some drag. It took me right down on the grass, broke me off. It was a big one. Didn't see him though, but lost a few too. A few got off, but that's the way it is with the jerkbait. But obviously boated a bunch of good ones. Lost that real big one just trolling early. That was about 3-pounder. I saw him jump, but I might throw the swim bait here a little bit. All right, the UFO. Oh, that's a good one. Come on, baby. Come on. Get in the boat. Gosh darn it. We're getting the grass. Ha! Just a little guy. Just a little dude. Dark one. Pretty good. All right. Look at